Hi guys, this is Dr. Bastrom and this is another 1 minute tip of the day video for you. Today's subject is cleaning and washing your motorcycle gear the right way. This motorcycle suit is around 14 years old and I will tell you how to keep it in a good state, how to properly clean it and still maintain most of its waterproof properties. This type of motorcycle gear, your motorcycle suits, they are not the type of gear that you can regularly put into a washing machine to clean them like common clothes. Instead, they are sensitive. If you do wash them regularly into a washing machine, they will start to deteriorate faster, they will lose their protective outer layer, they will lose their waterproof properties. And so instead, what you have to do is, the first step is to use a brush with soft hair. You brush off any or most of the dirt, if there's dirt there. Then you use baby wipes for other locations. You take your baby wipe and you clean certain locations again, and only rarely and every 1 year, 2 years or 5 years, always depending on how often you ride, in how much dirt there is in the locations that you ride and how dirty they get. You can put them into a washing machine with cold water after you have removed any protective parts from inside, like the protective parts on the knees, on the shoulders, on the elbows and so on. You use only specialized product which is more gentle with the garment. It does not harm it as much and it also retains most of its waterproof properties. I forgot to mention that when you wash your motorcycle gear, your motorcycle suits, you then let them dry naturally. You never use a dryer for this. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and as always, ride safe.